Hello learners, in this tutorial I am going to explain if-then statement in the PLSQL. So first of all we will see what is if-then statement. So the if statement associates conditions with a sequence of statements enclosed by the keyword then and end if. If the condition is true, the statement get executed, and if the condition is false or null, then if statement does nothing. So that is the if-then statement, and we will see the syntax. So if condition, then something happen, then end if. So if we explain using the diagram, you can see the start, then we validate the condition. If condition is true, the conditional code execute. If condition is false, then without executing that condition code, go to the endpoint. So that is the if-then syntax. Now we will see how to implement that if-then syntax in the Oracle 19c database. So for that actually I am using Oracle 19c database server. So first of all I will connect to my database using system schema user. So you can see my name is system and the username password I have given. So host name, port and SID I have given. First you can check the connectivity. So it's success, so we can connect to the database. Likewise you can connect to the database and you can open new SQL worksheet. So to get the new SQL worksheet, you can click on this button. So click on this, and I am going to create a connection for you through the system connection. So click on the OK button. Now we have created the new SQL worksheet. So I will explain that sample PLSQL code for the if-then statement. So I will copy from my notepad and paste into this. So one by one I will explain. So as I explained earlier in my previous tutorials, in the PLSQL block we have three sections: declaration sections, and the begin sections, and the exception section. So in the declaration section I have initialized the variable called a, data type is number, and assigning value is 10. So in the execution sections a is 10, then check the boolean condition using if statement. If a less than 20, then we will print a is less than 20. And if it will print value of a is 20. So I think you can clearly understand the logic with the if then. So I will execute this PLSQL block. Before that I will connect to that DBMS output window. To connect to the DBMS output window, go to the view and click on the DBMS output. So you can see it will already connect to that system connection. So I select this PLSQL block and execute. Okay, you can see, as I may explain earlier, my value is 10, then that condition is true, then the DBMS output line display a is less than 20. Then after that it will execute the second DBMS output. So then value is 10. So that output you can get through this PLSQL block. So then I will explain another example. So for that I will first create the SQL worksheet. So again I am going to copy that PLSQL block from my notepad and paste into the Oracle SQL developer. So first of all I will explain that query, then we will see the output of this PLSQL block. Okay, so as I said, in the declaration sections you can see I have initialized two variables, CID, customers ID, at type equal to 1. It means in my database I have a table called customer. So in that customer you can see there are 5 columns and it has some few records. So it refers this id column. So and assign value is 1. After that we are taking another variable, it's called c underscore salary. Then again the data type is customers table salary type. So if I open this one, you can see customers table salary is number 18 earlier for the id the type is number 380. Hope you have clear with this declarations section. So then I will go to the execution section. So you can see there's a select statement. So this is the simple select statement. You can see select salary into C cell from customer where id equal to CID. First of all, we will see the condition, the id equal to CID. What is the CID value is 1. So then we are taking id equal 1 record salary we are assigning to C cell variable, C underscore SAL variable. So first of all, we will see what is the customer ID 1 record. So customer ID 1 record is this one, the first record. So ID is 1. Then what is the salary? Salary is 3000. So 3000 we are assigning to this C cell. If this then we will go to the if then statement. If C cell less than or equal 2000, then update customer salary. Then we will execute this update salary update query. So if this salary is less than or equal 2000, then it will increment by 1000 and display this salary. Anyway, our C cell is 3000. I think this condition is false, so I think that execution is not happened. Anyway, I will execute this command and see the output. You can see nothing happened with this plsql block. Reason for that is this our salary is 3000, so the condition is false. Let's say we will put into the 5000, then definitely it should be, there should be a output. Anyway, I will select all. I select the plsql block and execute this one. You can see at the end salary updated. So definitely this condition is true, then it will increment by 1000 for this customer. So if I go to this table and refresh, you can see it has updated into 4000. It means increment by 1000 as per this as per this condition. I think you have a clear understanding about the plsql if then statement. So if you have any questions, you can you can ask and you can put on the comment section. And also if you couldn't install the Oracle 19c database server, you can refer my previous videos. Thank you.